We are here in Bon Aqua, Tennessee at the Beacon Light Tea Room Restaurant. So right away they bring out some fresh, flaky biscuits. And here you can see they have strawberry preserves as well as peach preserves. Here is their menu, including the appetizers, which includes onion petals and fried dill pickles. Here are the salads, the sides, as well as premium sides. Here is the dinner menu option, and it comes with a choice of 2 sides, biscuits, and preserves. Fried chicken, country ham and biscuits, vegetable plate. Over here are the sandwiches. And if you want a biscuit sandwich, here are those options that they have. Here are the desserts, which include fudge pies, coconut icebox pies, and Christie cookies, which are based out of Nashville. Henry, what'd you end up ordering, bud?
Got mashed potatoes, honey mustard, chickens, and a drink, and some mashed potatoes,
And Gentry, what'd you end up getting?
I got the cut country ham with some green beans, some red-eyed gravy, and baked potato.
Looks really good. And Jennifer?
And I got the 2 pork tenderloins. They're 6-ounce pork tenderloins with fried okra and green beans.
And I ended up getting the fried chicken. It comes with 4 pieces. It comes with a breast, a thigh, a wing, and a leg. And then I went with the premium side of the fried pickles. And then I got mashed potatoes and gravy there.
Okay, so Gentry and I decided to split 2 meats, and so he got the country ham meal and I got the pork tenderloin meal, so we split those up. And it also came with red-eyed gravy or sawmill gravy.
Now, Jennifer, I come from the Midwest. I've obviously been a Tennessean way longer than I've lived in the Midwest. But in the Midwest, we did not grow up with red-eyed gravy. We grew up with a lot of things like ham loaf and things that aren't down here in the South. But explain to everybody what red-eyed gravy is.
So my papa, he would fix for Christmas breakfast, and we had country ham a few times a year, but the main event, I would call it, would be when my papa would fix Christmas breakfast for the whole entire family, which we have a huge family. So all the grandchildren, all the kids, their children, everybody would come. So we did Christmas breakfast and chips, and my papa got up at like 4 a.m. and he made country ham. He would boil it and then save the juice from that, and then he would pop it in the oven while he was making everything else. He made grits, he made eggs, hash browns, like the whole works. And while all that was going on, he would take the stoppings, I guess you would say, from where he boiled the country ham, and then he would also add coffee in there. And so that's how you get you don't put sugar or anything like that, but that's how you get the brown color of the red-eyed gravy.
If you look closely there on camera, you can kind of see those red eyes or red bits that are from the ham.
So first I'm going to try the pork tenderloin. And as you can see, there's juice on this plate and everything, so looks like it's going to be juicy. It was very easy to cut, so tender. And then there's some seasoning on there. So that's very good. It tastes a little bit like seasoning salt with some garlic powder maybe in there. It's very good. It's almost like buttery. You know, that like really good like buttery taste. It almost tastes like that on the outside. It's very well seasoned, not too much, not too salty, and very tender. Love it. And now I'm going to try the country ham. Hold a piece up for you. So it's not greasy looking already. And looks like it has that good crisp on the outside. So maybe they cook it like my papa did in cast iron skillet. That is so good. Not too salty. So most likely they probably boil a little bit of that salt out from the cure and everything, and then toast it up in the skillet or in the oven. That is excellent. It's so good. So now I'm gonna try the red eye gravy. So you need a biscuit for that. Just swirl it around. There you go. And this is more of like a broth type of gravy, kind of like an au jus. It's very good too. You taste a little bit of the light coffee taste, not like overpowering or anything like that, but very good to sop your biscuit up.
So I took some of my gravy, kind of mixed it in with the mashed potatoes already, so got a good even balance mix here. All right. There's a little look. Here we go. So although these don't have lumps in them, I do love a little bit of lumps in my mashed potatoes. It's a very creamy mashed potato, but I love that they give you as much gravy as you want. I mean, I've had a whole bowl of gravy, so I can put as little or as much of the gravy in there as I want. It's got good pepper in it, and it's chicken gravy. It's very delicious. And I'm gonna try one of these fried pickles here. You can see the house-made batter that's on there. Okay. Got a little bit of ranch, dip it in. The batter is what really makes that. It's a thick batter, but not in a bad way where it overpowers. It's very delicious.
So we all know I love my green vegetables, so I ordered 2 of them today. Fried okra and green beans. And the green beans look like they have maybe either ham hock or some of that country ham in there. You can see those little bits. And they smell really, really good. I'm gonna take a bite. And I definitely have to get a little piece of that meat in there. So those green beans are so delicious. They taste like they were slow cooked, and they're not overcooked. They're just right. They're really tender, and I don't know if they're garden beans or not, but they taste like they could be. They're just really, really tasty, and you get that good pork flavor in there, but it does not overpower the green bean taste, so I really enjoy that. And then there's a little bit of pepper, also like black pepper, and that gives it just enough of a bite. So next, I'm going to try the fried okra, and it looks like there is a nice light batter on there. That's really great too. I think that's hand battered. You can taste the freshness of the okra, the green taste, and it's not soggy or anything like that or greasy, and the batter is just right. It's not too salty or anything, and just enough crunch.
All right, for my first bite of chicken here, I'm going to go in for a chicken leg, and you can see that nice batter on the outside there. It looks like the same type of batter as the fried pickles. Here we go. That is delicious. It's very tender, and the batter is not too heavy. You can see how light it is, where you get just enough crisp, just enough flavoring from the batter, but you get more of the chicken. It's fantastic. Gentry, how's your food, buddy?
Really good. I'm almost full.
I was gonna say, what do you think, buddy?
Yep, it's good.
You ready for a nap? All right, and here is the coconut icebox pie as well as the fudge pie. And here is the final bill for all of the food, including 2 desserts. Came out to a total of $82.20 after tax and before tip. That was the Beacon Light Tea Room. Henry, what'd you think about your food, buddy?
It was good. The rolls were actually good. And I liked it, everything.
And Gentry.
Country ham was really good here too, and the dessert was really good here. Oh no, you should definitely come here.
All right, and Jennifer.
This is an excellent place to visit. Really great roadside cafe, very relaxing, very family oriented, and home cooking to its core. It's so good. These biscuits are so good that we took the rest home for later. And those are homemade, and I think they put lard in them, don't they? And that, like, one of the ingredients that's what makes them good. But all in all, this is a really great place. The country ham, like Gentry said, oh my gosh, that was so good. I liked the pork tenderloin as well, but the country ham was excellent, and the green beans were so good, the fried okra, and then the fudge pie and the coconut, so good.
When it comes to my chicken, of course, it's made in a cast iron skillet. I love that cast iron cooking, along with the breading. The breading was it was just enough for that flavor, but it was light on the chicken. The fried pickles were really good as well, and the mashed potatoes, even though I would have preferred if there's a little bit of lumps. The mashed potatoes were pretty decent, to say the least, especially with the pepper. Wasn't a big fan of the icebox pie. I love coconut, but the icebox pie, not for me. I actually like the fudge pie, which is abnormal because I'm not a big chocolate fan typically. But all in all, guys, it's a really nice, scenic, beautiful drive out here to Bon Aqua, Tennessee. And we definitely recommend, if you're in the area, to stop out here to the Tea Light Restaurant in Bon Aqua. And guys, we thank you for joining us here at the Tea Light Restaurant. We sure do look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Every Day is Saturday. We interrupt this video to bring you an exclusive offer from Shady Rays. Shady Rays is the largest and fastest growing independent eyewear company in America. And you can receive 30% off your order at shadyrays.com by entering promo code Saturday365. Shady Rays offers a lost and broken warranty, as well as a craftsmanship warranty, and a portion of all proceeds go back to helping local communities. If you're looking for some new shades this summer, head over to Shady Rays and enter the exclusive code Saturday365 to receive 30% off your order. Once again, that's Saturday365.